Would you get down? We're going to be late for Erik Vladimir's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Erik Vladimir's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, my friend Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Breaking news. It's Erik Vladimir's birthday today. And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir. Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
Happy birthday, Erik Vladimir.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior. Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Erik Vladimir's party started.